Yes. Now,
Yes.
yes, Dr. Shalini Srivastava want to share something. Yes,
Good
please,
evening,
ma'am.
sir.
Go ahead.
Good evening,
Good
everyone.
evening.
I'm Shalini from Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose College, Lucknow. Sir, I have really benefited from this workshop, and you have really, simplified this entire process. It's really cumbersome, and I was really over. We are going the for the preparation of this AQAR, IQ. I mean, these terms, technical terms, I never knew all these things, and there was nobody to guide us. We were moving in the dark and doing the things our way. And I think I had this opportunity of getting this workshop earlier. It would have really benefited me. But thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
So, would you like to recommend this workshop to the fellow faculty members or those who are requiring the guidance and all?
I would like to have your number, and would like to have this workshop in our institution as well,
Yeah, no
because in
issue.
2024 we are planning for the SSR visit.
Okay. So, at
Yes,
any
sir.
point of time, whenever you seek my assistance, I am glad to have. The number is
Sure,
there in
sure.
the WhatsApp group that you can